Is your team potential being limited? It's the final day of Team 2020 week at the Daily Achiever, and today we deep dive into performance limiters. Hello and welcome to Daily Achiever Video 84. I'm your host Malcolm Gallagher. The theme of the week is Team 2020, and today's video, the 6 things that may be limiting your team potential. Teams often fail to deliver, and that's usually because the leader thinks that teams are the answer to getting a job done. But that leader may not be aware of what limits team potential. My flagship coaching, speaking and course program is called Energize to Achieve, or E2A, and the upcoming 6 potential limiting elements are taken from E2A. Number 1, in the bottom left-hand corner, silo working. The problem is not working together. Number 2, distrust. Uncertainty doesn't just exist in the economy, it exists between team members. Number 3, lack of vow. You may call it lack of commitment by the team as a whole. Number 4, invisible. Too many people don't feel they're part of a team or accountable to their team and its objectives. They hide away. Number 5, no clear vision that's compelling and changing as needed. And number 6, poor communication with too few people speaking out, listening correctly, or sharing thoughts. Now you know the 6. Are you facing any of them? What will you do to reduce or remove them? Go to my Team Plus channel at bizvision.co.uk/ERA for details on my Energize to Achieve program that will help you thrive in 2020 and beyond. If you truly want to have a Team 2020 Plus, then start with free membership of my content library and access to my leadership and team videos, podcasts, blogs and our programs. Just click the Click Here button on the screen. It's a live link to sign up for my free content library.